cases unselected are stricken off, selected are not stricken off. And see, this case 1 is selected, which is having age 41. 3 is 40.
Okay.
All those are cut, are not following that.
Data set must be 1 to 64.7.
Data set name must be 1 to 64 bytes. What does it mean? Why you are doing
No,
this?
it is. I'm not able to unclick also.
Here you are saying copy and you put this na? First one. Now press OK. Earlier you were giving the command copy in separate file. That's why it was asking that give a name. Up to here done? Say yes or no. Yes. Now what you have to do, sometimes you do what you are not happy with this stricken off or unstricken off. You wish that you will take these 20% of cases in separate file. A new file which is having only 20% randomly selected cases, or those cases whose age is equal to or higher than 40. What discussion say? You want to create a separate file, and imagine that the file size is 850. You cannot do manually. If you wish to do manually, you will go mad. And this is only research and PhD work. In data mining and in big data case, where you need to use different softwares, where the data is not 850, it is in petabytes and terabytes. You cannot select cases manually, just not possible. With 850, at least with one full night, with 8 cups of coffees, at least you can give one attempt. You can try manually. But if the data is terabyte, parabyte, you cannot do. Then you need to take the help of softwares who can support you. So now follow this task 3 and create a different data file. Now what you will do, rest of the conditions or the commands are going to be same. Earlier you were clicking this, or by default it was checked, which was saying filter out. Filtering out means stricken off, non-stricken off. Now this time copy the data and take to some other file. Now try this and take the data in another file. Quickly please, in 1 minute please. Ma'am, problem solved? No. Where is it? So in the home, you try again, practice in the home. And if there is any difficulty, mail me then. Don't worry. Just see that these are easy things. Na? Looks easy, na?
Yes.
Done, ma'am? Great, ma'am, great. आपने तो कमाल कर दिया मैम. कितना बड़े, अरे जब मैम पहली बार करा था ऐसा लगा था पता नहीं क्या कर दिया. हाँ, और कितना काम आसान हो जाता है सोचो आप. या आप मैन्युअली कर सकते हो.
Stuff which I could have done this way.
Say yes or no. See, we need to finish this session quickly, otherwise our lunch will be delayed. And our vendor will come at some time, given time, 1:20, and if we will not reach him by 1:25,
take it.
He is such a, what to say, crack person. He will leave the campus with all his food and then we will not be having food. So we need to finish it quickly by 1:15 or 1:20. So please be fast. Now, all these I am leaving on to you to try.
Sir, now how to say that file in a different name? This whatever is started about.
It had asked a file name.
Okay.
So give the file name and the location. And then it will save on that location with that name.
Saved it.
Now, I am going to show you another very useful command. Please look at me, don't do anything. Select command was giving you selection based on some logical statement. There is a wonderful command called split, which is here. Now, imagine you have a file grades, grades. As the name says, this file is having data of 105 students. Ma'am, look here. This data file, ma'am, stop doing that, please listen. This data file is having 105 observations. And these are school boys and girls. And the whole data is captured by one particular variable among many. The name of the variable is ethnicity. Ethnicity. And ethnicity is categorized in 5 categories: Hispanic, Americans, Black, Asians, Brown, something like that. And it was coded as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to here understood? There is a file, there is a data, file name is grades, there is a variable called ethnicity. Ethnicity is having 5 categories. In research methodology, we call it 5 levels. There are 5 levels or 5 categories. Now, if I tell you that you give me the descriptive statistics, which means mean, mode, median, skewness, kurtosis, blah, 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 which we will cover in the next session, of category 2, which is Hispanic only. How you will do that? One way, go to the select cases, select only 2, category 2, take it in a separate file, one option, or deselect other than 2 and then process, one way. Now I am modifying my question. I am not saying give me for 2 only. I am saying give me descriptive statistics or descriptive analysis for each category of ethnicity. Means I want Hispanics also separately. I want Americans also separately. I want Asians separately. I want Black separately. Blah, 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 blah. What you will do now? Select command will not help. Because select command can pick one category, but it will not allow you to run the analysis category wise. And those who are doing research and those who are having some experience of doing analysis in research, they know that this is such a useful condition and useful requirement in research when we want to do our analysis like that. Say for example, you are doing or writing a research paper and there are males and females. It has to be, na? Because you go to meet respondents, then either the respondent will be male or will be female. Am I right? Then you need to run your analysis for males only and for females only. Imagine, for discussion's sake, you have collected a data of say faculties, and faculties of commerce, faculties of science, faculties of arts, faculties of engineering, 4 categories. And you have data of say 800 or 900 or 1200 respondents. You want to run your analysis category wise for faculties who belong to arts, faculties who belongs to commerce, faculties who belongs to engineering. What you will do? You split the file. So when you will split the file, go to this command split and file, let's use the file grade Open the file grade. Open the file grade. This is a different file, or you have this file with you. Bhakti_1. Bhakti. Yeah. Madhavi ma'am knows Bhakti is a student who is a professor in Dubai, and she is doing her PhD there. Recently she had presented a paper in London. She had already presented her paper in Japan. Recently she had presented in USA, and this is her data. So you have a data file Bhakti_1. Yes, say yes or no. Yes. Open that SPSS file. Open that SPSS file. Split it, means go to this command, split, and what you will do after that, you will click compare groups like this. Compare groups, and how you will compare? You will compare based on neighborhood _1_2, which is already the name of the variable in the file Bhakti_1. Now Bhakti is doing a research where those who are living in Dubai and those who are living in a different city, I'm forgetting the name, typical name. So she is conducting some analysis, their social behavior, their social interaction, something like that, which is beyond my understanding. But anyway, there is a variable which is dividing both the cities, neighborhood 1, neighborhood 2. So we are grouping the file on the basis of neighborhood 1 and 2, and then we are pressing OK. The moment you will go to the output, something like this will be there, which you should observe and you should see. See this, where in the output it is mentioned that your file is now in the split mode. Are you able to see or not? Say yes or no. This side is not saying either yes or no. Ma'am, say yes or no. You are able to see that? Pakka? Good. See the output at the bottom. Output at the bottommost. And now run the explore command for shared values. In this file Bhakti_1, there is a variable called shared values. Shared values. You run explore command for shared values, and your output will be like this, and the case processing summary will be like this, showing you that your data is splitted. Explore for shared values.
After shared value,
So now you run the explore command
yes,
for variable shared values, and you have already made your file split it.
okay, yes,
If you have given the split command
yes, that
based on
neighbor,
neighborhood, and there are two cities.
Yes.
One was Dubai and one was I am forgetting. So automatically your now processing will be done
yes.
together for both the categories.
So,
It will be reflected like this.
no, but this I'm here shared value. Click on this
Yeah, you have to bring this shared value here.
into the dependent list.
No, don't do like this. There is a transport button, na?
Oh, okay.
If you click this, it will automatically come here. है ना?
Now, okay.
Now okay. You see.
Neighborhood 1, neighborhood 2.
Now your analysis is done in two parts together, which is very useful in most of the situations when we actually run the analysis.
Yes.
It's already split. Okay. You already done the split. So you have to go for explore.
Just see that others are able to do or not. Are you able to do?
No, I think it will be okay.
Yeah.
That's fine.
So now, I got this. Now, compare groups.
Done.
I
Good.
taken this. Now, the result is not displayed.
It will be displayed, so it is okay.
Just come in a separate.
Where is the output? Show the output file. where output comes. Where is the output? Where or a species output comes?
No, there should one output file, no? One output this thing should be projected, no? Suddenly one other screen has to come up.
Yeah.
That is not coming. I don't know why.
Since morning it is happening.
No. Just for this.
The splitting is done.
Yeah, splitting is done.
Now do explore. This is shared values.
Okay. Right.
And है ना?
Yeah. लेकिन ऑटोमेटिकली आना चाहिए था, लेकिन अब हमने
नहीं, मैंने कमांड दिया तभी आया ना.
अच्छा.
कमांड तो अभी दिया.
अच्छा.
आपने पहले कमांड का दिया था. And it is here.
Yeah. Thank you.
My pleasure. All are done? हाँ. So you are getting this, na?
This I got, but remaining
No problem, no problem. Data is like this.
Okay.
The point is to show you that with the help of splitting, you can process both the categories together.
that neighbor 1/2 did not come.
It has come a neighborhood, one neighborhood.
No, but this
49 case, 32 for case.
descriptive.
Probably you have not given the command like that.
Okay.
है ना? When you are running the command, you have not asked for. And why you have written this? You are not, your file is already splitted on the basis of this.
This is not required.
Shared values are required. This you remove from here. This you send. Write shared values. Now run. Now say OK. Your file is splitted. See. Remember one thing, explore command is always to be given on continuous variable. Never ever try explore command with categorical variables. Only continuous variable can be explored. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, with this statistical output descriptive, so that significance 0.00. So what do you interpret and what do we
That we will cover. That problem is solved. Oh, wonderful. मतलब it was to be reloaded spaces. हाँ. Both of you should also learn, na? What doing with laptop? Yes, sir. Done. It's easy.
Easy, but how to interpret? Say, for example, case processing summary. I got it to 48. How to do it?
This I am not getting. I am not clear about your question.
Summary.